Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the die-cast scale model of Mahindra Scorpio. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, this is the scale model, a die-cast model of Mahindra Scorpio. This car actually comes in a white color, but I painted it half black. This toy car comes with two openable front doors and a very well detailed interior inside with 8 seats. This car is officially manufactured by Mint Toy and has a spare wheel. This car comes with a pullback action feature. Let's test it on road. Guys, the steering is in the right side. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Share my video to your 10 friends. Now let's take this Mahindra Scorpio for a mini test drive. And now let's take the Scorpio for a small off-road. Wow, Scorpio meets Bolero. Subscribe to my channel for more new videos. And click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.